Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am here to show you guys how to knit the moss rib stitch. It is yet another offshoot of your traditional rib stitching. It's really easy to get into. It's a 2-row repeat, and as always these knitting tutorials are in the Continental style, so if that's not your mode of knitting, then this video might not be for you, but otherwise let's dive right into the tutorial. As a side note, this stitch does stretch like your traditional ribbing, so really any ribbed cast off that you do or ribbed cast on that you do will fit perfectly right along with this stitch pattern. Alright, to get started we are going to create a slip knot. And we're going to cast on in multiples of 4 and then add an additional 1. Five, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then an additional stitch at the end. Alright, on the right side of our work, which is row 1, I'm going to clip that tail. What we want to do is knit 2, make sure not to ply your yarn, 1, 2. Now starts our row repeat, which is purl 1, knit 3 until the last 3 stitches. So we're going to bring our yarn forward, purl 1, bring our yarn back to the back, and we're going to knit 3. Alright, and again we're going to bring our yarn back to the front, purl 1, back to the back, and we are going to knit 3. And we're going to do this until we get to the last 3 stitches. Alright, and when we get to our last 3 stitches, we are going to purl 1 and knit 2. Purl that next stitch, knit the next stitch, and knit that last stitch off our needle. Alright, and this is the right side of our work. And as always, I recommend for stitches like this that do have a right and technical wrong side, I recommend putting a nice little stitch marker in there to indicate which side is which. Alright, now I'm ready to move on to row 2. For row 2, we will purl 1, alright, and now our repeat for this row is knit 3, purl 1. 1, 2, 3, purl 1, 1, 2, 3, purl 1, all the way across. 3, and we are going to purl our final stitch. Alright, and now we are ready to work row 3. This is what it looks like so far. Row 3 is a repeat of row 1. Again, the right side of our work, as indicated by our stitch marker. We are going to knit 2. So there's 1, and there's 2. Alright, and our repeat for the row is purl 1, knit 3. So we're going to bring our yarn to the front and purl. And we're going to knit the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and repeat that all the way until the last 3 stitches of the row. There's purl 1, and here's 1, 2, 3 knit stitches. We're going to purl 1, 1, 2, 3. We are now at our last 3 stitches. We are going to purl the next stitch. And knit the final 2. Alright, now we're ready to move on to row 4. Row 4 is a repeat of row 2. So we are going to purl this first stitch. Then we're going to knit the next 3 stitches. We're going to purl that next stitch. You're going to knit the next 3 stitches. Bring our yarn forward and purl the next stitch all the way across this row. And purl our last stitch. Alright. And so you're going to want to repeat rows 1 and 2 over and over again until you are satisfied with the length of your pattern, as you can already see here. Our pattern is starting to take shape. It is a very beautiful textured rib. Like I said, it reminds me a little bit of the fisherman's rib that I am using in another pattern. Nonetheless, I'm going to work up a few more rows, and then I'll come back and show you the swatch when I'm done. And as you guys can see, I have knitted up a few more rows of this pattern, and this is what it has come to look like. It's a very simple repeat, and it adds just a little extra oomph to your ribbed stitch pattern without actually adding a whole lot of complication to it. I hope this video was helpful for you guys today. If so, don't forget to leave a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Not only will you not miss out on future content, but it also helps the channel out tremendously when you do that. If you are interested in learning more Continental style knit stitches, I have an entire playlist back on my channel that you can check out. Also, don't forget to check me out on my other social media. I'm on pretty much everything except for Snapchat and TikTok, so I have a little something out there for everybody. I am most active on Instagram. Check out my website. Sign up for the newsletter so you don't miss out on new blog posts regarding crafty news, things about Infiniti Crafting Co. And until next time, guys, happy making.